What's happening, everybody? Daddy Crab here. I think it's Wednesday, June 3rd. I don't keep track of days too well. Check out all these wildflowers in the cow pasture back here. Of course, way out there, there's none, but we had a ton of rain for about 2 weeks. And all these nice wildflowers popped up. What do we got for noise over here? We got we got more over here too. Check all this, all these wildflowers. They're everywhere. I did a video on this house here with an add-on. I think it was about 2 to 3 weeks ago. That back portion with the porch you see, where it kind of pops out to your left, that was all added on. Amish carpenters. We got a whole ton of them that live on this road. They all moved out of New York, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania. Too expensive to live up there. Politics, you know how that goes. That's why people are leaving California. They can't afford Gavin Newsom. Gavin Newsom can't even get water to put out fires. And that Bass woman, she's got some nerve. Running for mayor again? Are you kidding me? Well, let's just call it like it is. The election will be stolen most likely, and she will be reseated as mayor, because nobody in their right mind would vote for that. And if they do, then you get what you're settled for. I think this is lavender. I think it is. Beautiful day out here in WV. Country roads take me home. Can't sing worth a damn. All right, you guys, take care. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for the little rant on California. Y'all take care. Give me a like if you like it. And if you don't, give me a thumbs down. Doesn't bother me one way or the other.